Welcome all. This is our lecture 45, and in this lecture we will cover the topic creating and editing slide, second lecture. In the previous lecture we have also learned about editing the sheets. Today we will continue the part. We will start our lecture with the topic create a presentation. How can we create a particular presentation? What are the steps we will follow to create a particular presentation? Okay, so let's start with the topic. As here, first of all, you have to open PowerPoint. The process to open the PowerPoint app is same as you will open Word, Excel and any other Office apps. Okay, you can find easily this app in the Office section. From that particular, as you will open the PowerPoint presentation app, you will find some menus, you will find some options. You can select a blank presentation to create your own presentation as per your need, or you can select a template means PowerPoint provides you some pre-developed, previously created demo presentations. You can choose as per your need. If your topic, your need allows you to take a template, then you can use that particular template. If your topic is new and you cannot, and your topic, your content will not match with the provided one in the template, then you should use the blank presentation as well. Okay, or you can select take a tour. Take a tour means it will guide you how can you create a particular presentation, as I am providing you the help. How can you prepare, how can you develop a particular presentation. PowerPoint presentation app also have prepared and provide a particular guide, or you can say particular help to create a good quality presentation. So you can also refer that particular material. Just look at on your screen. You, as you will open the PowerPoint presentation app, you will find this slide. You can choose the blank presentation from here, or you can select a particular template as well. These are the previously provided templates by the PowerPoint app, and here you will find a take a tour option. By this you can check the steps to create the presentation. But if you are using, you are reading with these videos, or you can follow, you can prefer the previous practical sessions as well. I suggest you, if you want to use, you want to be better in Word, Excel and PowerPoint, so in this playlist we have also provide some practical sessions. You must join that. Work accordingly, as I told you. then you can sharp your skill with these powerful tools. Okay, next one, how to add a slide. As if you want to add a new slide, then you should select home, and in home section you can easily find new slide option. Okay, as you will click new slide option, many type of or different types of slides will available to you. If you have selected previous one, then you can change the layout by selecting the layout option of that particular slide. Just look at on your screen. This is the home screen, home menu. You will click here and you will get new slide option. All these slide will be open, and as per your need, as per your data you have, you can select any one from this. If you have title and content, you can select this. You can, you have headers, you can select this. If you have two contents, as we have discussed, if you have two contents and you want to compare them with each other, then you can select this one. Okay, or and this one, this is for especially for comparison purpose. You need only title, you can select this is for blank presentation. Here you can add any image, content with captions, and picture with caption. If you have picture and you want to provide the caption with the picture, then you can select this one. And same these we have also some styles available, you can select from there. The next question is add and format text. How can you add, how can you format, or you can edit a particular text in a slide? As same, you have to put your cursor where there is your, where there is your cursor, you can start writing and the text will insert at that particular place. Okay, if you want to change the font, the style of a particular text from bold, italic and underline, you can select from there. You can select you can use the bullets and numbering sequence also. Look at your screen, this is same as from here. You can select the text size, bold, italic, underline, text size. Okay, font case, everything is available here. By this pen you can easily control the text. This is the format and this is the sample from Office 2013. Now another question is how to add a picture, save or chart in a particular slide. To add a particular picture or chart or any table in your slide, first of all you have to select the insert tab, and in insert menu you will find the add a picture. You can select a picture from the device, you can browse the drives of your system, and you can insert your desired picture. If you want to add any shape, art and chart, then you can select shape icon, smart art and charts, and you can select anyone from them. Just look at on your screen here. As you will click on the insert button, then you will find, if you want to use the table, click on the table. If you want to add picture, click on the picture. If you want to add any shape, icons, 3D models, smart art, charts, okay, you can directly click on these particular icons and you can add. As in this particular slide, we have had a picture, a chart, pick another picture, and this is a different type of shape we have add by clicking on shapes. These kind of shapes you can get from here, shapes option. Okay, so this is all done in this lecture. Prepare your good quality notes and be in learning mode always.